Today could bring a bombshell in the case against Casey Anthony. In just a few hours, we may finally find out who's paying her legal bills.
That's the big question. Prosecutors want to know if her attorney, Jose Baez, made any deals to sell Casey's story, which could be a conflict of interest. Channel 9's Mark Boyle is live at the Orange County Courthouse. Mark, a conflict of interest could help Casey appeal a potential conviction down the road.
That's what our legal expert says, Greg. I can tell you right now the defense is gearing up for the hearing set for 10:30 this morning. This is a copy of the motion that will be heard here at the courthouse. Casey Anthony will be here as well.
If you want me to give you something, you got to let us go to court.
Casey Anthony's attorney, Jose Baez, has said all along he is not profiting off of representing his client charged with murder. However, some state prosecutors aren't too sure about that. This morning, they hope Judge Stan Strickland forces Baez to provide documents as to where the money is coming from to pay for his expenses. The state wants documentation showing any agreements for books, movies, or photos. These pictures of Casey Anthony just surfaced. She's scantily clad, dancing and making out with several people at the same time. If there's some type of deal, the state wants Casey to sign a waiver showing she is aware of any conflict of interest.
If there is, I waive that conflict. End of story.
Our legal expert says Casey could later try and use the deal, if there is one, to appeal if she's convicted. Now back live, I can tell you Casey believes the state is taking this out on her because she's refused to take a plea agreement. For now, reporting live at the Orange County Courthouse in downtown Orlando, Mark Boyle, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.
There will also be new developments today in the civil lawsuit against Casey. Two former Anthony family private investigators, Dominic Casey and Jim Hoover, are expected to answer questions in a deposition by attorneys for Zenaida Gonzalez. Gonzalez is suing because she has the same name as the mystery nanny who Casey blamed for Kaylee's disappearance.